Wikipedia as a doom scrollable social media feed. That sounds pretty cool, actually. Exipedia.org. Only one comment there. Instead of doom scrolling social media, which I don't do, you can doom scroll things that will actually teach you something. I have actually been going through the Next.js React tutorials at the moment instead of browsing social media. Take some categories to get started. So Exipedia is a pseudo social media feed that shows you content from simple Wikipedia. Pick some categories. All right, what do we want? Science, games, technology, or add your own. Interesting. 5% of 40 meg loaded. Since the content and images shown is from random Wikipedia articles, you will likely see NSFW content. Please only continue if you are an adult. Yes, well, if you picked human sexuality, it would probably come up with that, wouldn't it? But science, games, and technology should be fairly safe, shouldn't it? Man, it takes a while. 9% of 40 meg loaded. Where is it loading this from? Simple.wikipedia.org. What does that mean? From Simple English Wikipedia, simple English words and grammar. So it's kind of a dumbed down version of Wikipedia. How are we going? 19%. Come on, man. Maybe there should be an option here to load less. All right, I'll come back when it's loaded, I suppose. 21%. Maybe it's just getting smashed because it's on Hacker News. What else are they saying about it over here? One comment. Let's have a look. Maybe there's more comments. Yeah, there is. Unfortunately, it's too slow. Yes. Very slow, and he gave up. Yes, true. That's very sad. Maybe it should just download one article at a time rather than 40 meg. It does seem like quite a lot of content. Like if that's just text or even images as well, seems like a lot. Maybe we should look at the source code while we're waiting. Seems very simple. Where is this loading from? Let's get into the code, man. It's all in one HTML file. So just raw JavaScript, is it? Is it getting these? You've got sources here, Commons, Wikimedia sources. So we've got this all in HTML. I wonder if this was vibe coded or if it is hand coded. How are we going? 34%. Yeah, we're not going to get this loaded, are we? We're going to have to give up on this, I think. I wonder if there's a way of limiting it to maybe if we reduce this potential posts array of 10,000 posts. Could you just set that to like 50 or something, or maybe 1,000, and then this one, initial score, post seen. I mean, that's sorting through a lot of articles, isn't it? I guess get next post, but what about the initial post? Async function main, can we go there? Yes. Exipedia is downloading 40 meg of data. So how much is it actually loading? 42% of 40 meg. So this is like hard coded here. Is it updating? I can't tell. Maybe that's just the initial around 40 meg. Where is it loading this from? Window onload main. Mol data JSON. From where? There's no small. Oh, it's this. That's very big. How do we know how big it is? It is 40 meg. So it downloads this whole one JSON file. Why does it take so long to grab this? 50%. All right, then we give up on this as well. But yes, it's a good concept. Maybe we just need a smaller than 40 meg file in there. Exipedia. It's a good idea if it ever loads. We gotta wait till the end.
5 hours later.
And what's loading? It's downloading its 40 meg file. Are we ready? Yes, 40 meg. We're in. That was crazy. Why was that so long, man? 40 meg for what?